Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today, I'm going to teach you how to take a toilet paper tube and turn it into a nutcracker. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. For this project, you'll need toilet paper tubes, printed templates, which you can get from my website, crayons and pencils, scissors, a hot glue gun setup, tape, and assorted embellishments like feathers, jewels, washi tape, flowers, pom-poms, etc. So the first thing you're going to want to do is download my template, which you can get from my website, and there's a link down below. And you'll want to cut those out, and then you'll want to color them. And once you've done that, you're going to need your toilet paper tube. And you're just going to take your toilet paper tube, take a little piece of tape, and place it right on the edge. So you lay your template down that's already been colored in, and you lay it right on down, put your piece of tape on there, and then wrap it all the way around. So now what you're going to do though is take a little tiny thin bead of hot glue right down the edge. Now if you want, you can use glue stick, or you can also use double stick tape. I just like hot glue. And then just seal that edge. Now you've got your little guy, and he's ready to be decorated. Now really this is where you can decorate him any way you want and have as much fun as you want. You can give him some googly eyes, you can give him a little nose, you can give him a fabulous flower, you can give him some jewels. You know, this is where you can have fun and just go to town. Or you can just leave him colored the way he is, because he looks lovely either way. And there you have it, your very own nutcrackers made out of toilet paper tubes. For more fun ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com, and to find your template, make sure you go to Sophie-World.com.